Hello, clickers from all over the world, maybe the universe. I'm here to show something super cool, something that you will gain more knowledge and Qlik in your hands, or maybe in your pocket. If you were even a little interested, come with me. I will raise your expectations a lot, and the momento, it will be now. Man, that song was cool, speaks worth. I already feel from here that you got really excited. And come on. First of all, it's important to mention that this application is not official Qlik and has no connection with them. The questions are even completely different from those present in official exams. That said, now let's talk about some great news. There are more than 400 questions with detailed answers that will give you a real competitive edge, not only for the exam but also for your daily life. I'm absolutely sure you will get really cool tips every time you open the app, and I have no doubt you will find something that will help with your actual running projects. The application is called Qlik Studio Guide. It is available for Android and iOS. The access address URL is below in the video description here. Now I'm going to show you how this application works. Let me share my screen here. And these are the sayings of which I commented earlier. The application is unofficial and is not a guarantee that you will pass the official exam. The goal is for your knowledge to be busted in the shortest possible time. I really can't sit in the chair and take the exam for you, okay? There are the available subjects, all categorized, grouped so that you can be guided the way you want. Some are very exam oriented, others are for a specific knowledge. By the way, if your language is not Brazilian Portuguese, which is my native language, don't worry. Click on the planet here in the upper right corner and switch to American English at any time. Very cool simultaneous translation, right? So powerful that Google. I'm going to open an example here from the Data Architect certification. We will basically have two options, simulated mode and training mode. Simulated mode is like a testing environment. You have a set amount of time to complete based on the number of questions drawn and available. The training mode gives you more, how can I say that, more freedom to do it in the time you want and also know the correct answers as you go along one by one. Very cool feature. You have not seen anything yet. Come with me. I will click here and train. If you already accept this model and option, the software will ask you if you want to continue where you left off or start over. This functionality will be available in the next release planned for late September, I guess. So if it doesn't show up, don't worry. The tests of the questions can be small or long, just like the ones you will find in official exam. If you are not used to the scenario, this is more good news. You will learn a lot. Some questions are multiple choice. You will notice a little of each here. Have image. You can use your fingers to zoom. When you select an answer, you have the option to go ahead and check if got it right. Here in the bottom, show answer. Additionally, you can access the explanation and understand why that option is the correct one. All explanations have a nice text. There is usually an URL for you to learn more about the subject, and some cases have images, other even videos from YouTube in my hidden playlist. And so you play until you feel comfortable. I will now simulate a test scenario. Let's come back. And more than that, I'm going to play here with the random so that I can create questions from several other modules together and test my knowledge. I can here click in random. Nice. I can select all the model that I want, do a random, and select the number of questions that I want. Then it's okay. What I'm going to show you now is how you can progress on the exam. Notice that there is a flag icon here in the upper right corner. It serves as a bookmarker to remind you to return to this question before completing your exam. A similar functionality exists in the official exam. So I'm going to answer some question here. Mark others. I can select some bookmarks here in question 4. And I'm going to push until the end so you can see what happens. Also, note that I can scroll through the question in the past. Here. I just can't move forward until the last one is answered. I can't click on the 7. I have to select one alternative here in the question 6. I will click a bookmark here, and so on. So I'm going to advance to the end. Let's go. Three alternative, and now it's the review. This screen demonstrates here in the squares the questions that we created bookmarks. We can return to any questions by clicking on them, and also choose to review only those that have bookmark. See how cool is that? I can click here on the 2. I have to choose other. Okay, I can back here. Now he's in black color. I can click here on 10, revision. I can review all bookmarks, clicking here. I'm here in question 2, and next questions is not the 3, the 4, all the bookmarked questions. It's like a shortcut. Once the exam is finished, we identify how our progress has gone and we have access to the feedback. And on this screen, we can see a summary of all the issues and identify the reason why we got it wrong. This is a very learning time, so pay close attention and invest the necessary time and care that you deserve. Whenever you finish your simulations, your progress will be saved here on the top left menu. This helps you celebrate your entire evolution. This feature will also be available to you until the end of September, I guess, so don't worry if you don't find it now. Well, I believe that is it. I don't wait to take too much of your time around here anymore. I really want you to feel how much you deserve such an application close to you to become an even better Qlik professional. Even if you already feel confident of your knowledge, I'm absolutely sure we will have a lot of fun using it. Any questions, comment here in the comment box. I will be super happy to help everyone and have fun.